Good Tuesday morning, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari, tracking a freezing start to the morning, and if that wasn't bad enough, we're also looking at pretty chilly wind chill values. Now, first we're going to go ahead and start off with PinPoint radar, and that's because we've seen quite a bit of moisture still locked in the region, primarily in the form of cloud cover. However, this radar imagery is showing some of that moisture struggling to reach the ground. Now, this just gives you an idea of where we're seeing some of that moisture trying to fall in the form of some light drizzle off to the north and now to the northeast. Some of that was actually trying to transfer into a more wintry mix. However, we hadn't heard any reports all morning long of any actual light snow flurries or even a sleet mix trying to reach its way to the ground, so it's been a bit of a struggle, if anything at best, looking at chances for a light drizzle. But with temperatures freezing out there, we are asking people to take extra caution on those bridges and overpasses. Any slick or wet spots on the roadways do have the potential to freeze, with temperatures being just so cold all across the area, easily in those lower to mid 30s. Now again, as if that wasn't chilly enough, breezy winds are coming in out of the north, anywhere from about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Some folks off to our eastern and northeastern counties a little bit lighter, but regardless, wind chills are in the 20s. This is what it feels like on your skin, and that's how you're going to want to dress up early this morning. This just gives you a wider view of some of that moisture we've been dealing with, again, for the most part struggling to even reach the surface. Through the rest of today, though, we'll gradually have some of that cloud cover try to break apart, still calling things cloudy or mostly cloudy through the morning hours, and by the afternoon we'll be lucky if we can see some of that sunshine break through, and that actually will be the determining factor of us making it into the lower 50s or even near 50 degrees. Otherwise, we're likely to stay closer to the upper 40s. Overnight into your Wednesday morning, get ready for another cold start, just above that freezing mark, closer to the mid 30s, and then into the 60s we go, nearing that 60-degree temperature by your Wednesday afternoon. So we'll see a bit of a warm-up over the next coming days, but today is still on the chilly side. We'll struggle to make it near 50 degrees at that. That 10% chance of an early morning drizzle you see there for Tuesday is, again, just for the morning hours. That's actually going to dwindle here in the next couple of hours, and then we'll look for those rain chances to leave. Plenty of sunshine making a comeback by the middle of the week, but enjoy it while that lasts, because rainy changes come back into the forecast towards the end of the week and into your weekend. Thanks again for logging on.